Hello guys and welcome to my crypto YouTube channel, Crypto Ui Ui. Let's be honest, you are here for a reason. So today we're gonna present you the recap of what has happened in crypto market last week. Hopefully they can provide you more insight of what will happen the next week. CPI data from United States just released yesterday. The data showed us that the inflation is at 8.3%. above expected inflation 8.1%, but better than the previous month 8.5%. Inflation still above the expected rate. As a result, the gold, Bitcoin, crypto market, stock market all crash. Those markets not only crashing because of the fact that inflation is higher than expected, but also due to the fact that inflation may not peak yet because inflation still act unexpectedly. Until we get the confirmation that inflation has been controlled and acting in an expected manner, don't hope for a new bull run. There will be none, because the dear Biden has said no cutting rates until inflation is in control. Not only that, as you can see right here, there are more data that show the sign of slowing economy. There is a slim chance that bull run will start this year for overall market, which means there is more time for you to collect cash, put them on the sidelines, and when the time comes, start to invest. How do you know if that is the right time to invest? Well, you have to follow me, because I provide you the daily information of the crypto market, and hopefully we can make it together to mark the start of the bull run. So Ethereum merge is finally successful, have been done few hours ago, confirmed by Vitalik Buterin. And fun fact, this merge will reduce electricity consumption globally by 0.2%, which is absolutely good for environment. 0.2% might seem small, but we are talking about the global power consumption, which is big, okay? Big. The world is big. It's notable that this merge will not lower the transaction fee for any Ethereum transaction. Eventually it will, but not for now. They still need a few more upgrades before it can be done. If you don't understand or you're not sure what Ethereum merge is, you can watch my previous video, 2 parts explain about the Ethereum merge in my TikTok account. What is my opinion on this Ethereum merge? I think this will absolutely raise Ethereum value. Sometimes value is not seen in price, as we are in a bear market. Falling price is more likely than any rising price, but rising value, absolutely, this merge will cause Ethereum to be in a higher position than Bitcoin in the sight of investors, because Ethereum is just better in any transaction, more regulatory friendly. Don't fail to impress despite some noteworthy development from Polkadot. Hello guys, welcome to another daily market update. So what do we got today? So Polkadot launched a new DeFi product called V-Dot on 13th of September. Basically the aim is to maximize DeFi earning strategies in the Polkadot ecosystem. V-Dot will be the third member in Polkadot's DeFi network, following the KES-M and the V-Token token series. Even though this is a significant update for Polkadot network, we can see massive spike in its social media activity. Social mentions surged by a whooping 50.5%, alongside an increase of 20.3% of its social engagement as well. However, the change has not been seen in price, as the price of Polkadot keeps declining. On-chain metrics also haven't been showing a positive outlook for Polkadot. However, the blockchain has kept adding a healthy amount of the new users every day. I think Polkadot is a good crypto. They have a quite active social network, keep improving their ecosystem, just not as much as other very well-known crypto out there. Even Cardano has making more developments than them. But there are a few things that I don't like about Polkadot. First one, their supply is inflationary. They have no limits. They can add them anytime they want, and this is obviously not good, especially for the early stage of any cryptocurrency. Second, I don't like the way they manage their projects. Their projects really evolve around plutocracy. When we are talking about decentralization, we are talking about any people from anywhere in the world, and you cannot expect every single rich person on this earth support decentralization. So it may work for you, it may not, but I don't like the way they combine decentralization and also plutocracy. They are just not fit in one side, you know what I mean? Good luck for Polkadot. I do like them because they are pinky, you know, preference. The world rotates around us. I have another bit to talk about Ethereum merge. Ethereum merge is one of the best example for sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. As you can see, as soon after the merge was released, the price went down tremendously. Remember when people say this will be the last narrative of bull run? Well, there isn't any anymore. This alone shows you how wrecked this bear market is, how hard this bear market is. Even a news that should be a revolution to the crypto market is not enough to pump the price of Ethereum. Crypto is going down right now, so we are going to go through some news today. I've read some of the news and I can say safely that the market makers are making FUD back into the market. For those who don't know, FUD means fear, uncertainty and doubt, usually done by market makers to create fear amongst retail investors so that the market can move in their way, thus making them more profits. The most obvious example is short squeeze, long squeeze, things like that. Unexpected, but not for the whales or the market makers. First off, we have Ethereum slumps to 2 months low. Because of that, 400 million have been liquidated. Also have fear among investors due to the possibility of the biggest Fed rate hike in 40 years. As of the publication of this article, the possibility for 100 basis point hike rate is currently at 20%. So the decision will be made by the Fed in the next few days. So we will see if the Federal Reserve decide to hike the rates by 75 basis point, then the market will maybe have some relief rally. But if we get 100 basis point, then get ready for more downside of the risk asset price, including Bitcoin. The 100 basis point rate hike, rumors getting stronger due to the inflation being above expected, as we have discussed in the previous video. You can find it down here in my Twitter account. We also have news from some DeFi protocols. Among them is MakerDAO. So MakerDAO vault with $4 million plus faces liquidation as Ethereum price plummets. Liquidation price is at $1,284 and they have $4.3 million locked up as collateral, which is a big amount and could lead to more downside of the price. Again, another FUD. We also have few more news that show that FUD is returning to the market, so manage your risk, be careful, and do not easily trust your influencers. Believe in your own decision, as we have discussed in the yesterday video about being decisive in making decisions. Kenya Central Bank Governor admits pressure to convert country's reserve into Bitcoin. Hello guys, welcome to another daily market update. So what do we got today? According to Njogore, the idea can be equated to craziness, noting that converting the reserve into Bitcoin will be a risk, considering the digital assets volatility. He said that during a meeting with members of parliament on September 19. He also noted that the country can only opt to adopt cryptocurrency if they solve a particular problem. He called for a review of the cryptocurrency sector to move away from what he termed as hype around the digital assets. About the country as a whole, notably the Central Bank of Kenya has previously issued a warning to citizens regarding dealing with cryptocurrencies, citing the risk involved. However, there exists no comprehensive regulations to manage the sector. The severity of risk highlighted recently by a report including that a record of 4 million Kenya crypto investors suffered losses following the ongoing digital asset market sell-off. My opinion is, I think Kenya is doing the right thing. This is the adoption rate that we are talking about. Day by day, people know how important Bitcoin is, how it can help to manage their system more safely, because you can hate Bitcoin all you want. At the end of the day, inflation is inflation, value is value. If people trust that something has value, then it has a value. That is what makes normal people have the power over the elite people that can make them to do a regulation, because they have to deal with it. People trust. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, like, follow and share, comment. I'll see you next time. So that's all I can provide to you for this week. Hopefully you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video too, so that it can reach to the same audience that want to find information in crypto market just as here. We'll meet soon. I'll see ya.